Hello, Bob.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon, Bob. How are you today?
I'm great.
Oh, that's good to know. What did you do in the morning?
Uh, in the morning, I learn English and help mommy cook uh for lunch.
Oh, okay. That's very nice of you, Bob. Do you have another English class? Do you have another English class?
Uh, no.
Oh, no. So which means you studied our lesson in advance. Okay, that's nice. Now, let me share my screen, and today we'll continue talking about the vocabularies we have in here. So, can you tell me what is clever?
Uh, clever is like smart.
Okay, yes, smart or intelligent, which means a person or something quickly understand or absorb information. Very good. There you have it. Now, what about gentle?
Uh, uh, I don't know this one.
Okay, so when we say gentle, it means that something or someone has is mild in temperament or behavior. So basically, not harsh. Bomb. Okay, gentle means not harsh. Okay, having or showing a kind or calm character way of behaving. That is gentle. Now, what about friendly?
Uh, friendly is uh happy with everyone.
Is that all it, Bomb? Okay, so when we say friendly, it is a person who is kind and pleasant to other people, who loves to be around with other people. Okay, friendly. Are you friendly, Bomb?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you are. Did you hang out with your friends today?
Can you say again?
Did you hang out with your friends today?
No.
Oh no, you did not. And that is fine. You still have a very productive day. Now, the last word, we have annoying.
Uh, annoying is make someone too angry.
Okay, yes, these are the kind of behavior that is irritating us and making us mad or just a little angry. Okay, that is annoying. Okay, so now let us practice and tell me if the words are positive or negative. Let us start with well behaved.
Uh, will behave is positive.
Okay, very good. What about good natured?
Good nature is positive.
What about naughty?
Naughty is negative.
Okay, yes, that's right. Noisy.
Noisy is negative.
Yes, it's negative too. Clever.
Clever is positive.
Okay, yes, that's right. Gentle.
Gentle is positive.
Okay, that's correct. Friendly.
Friendly is positive.
Okay, and what about annoying?
Annoying is negative.
Okay, yes, it is negative. Thank you so much. Now let us have exercise 3. Okay, now can we have here brown? And of course, when we say brown, it is a color. But can you give me something, Bob, that is brown in your place? What brown
Uh,
thing do you have at home?
uh, my table is brown.
Okay, what about white? White thing.
Uh, my notebook.
Okay, you have a white notebook. Okay, now let us have first the colors. Okay, what about black?
Uh, my hair.
Okay, your hair is black indeed. What is your favorite color?
Uh, my favorite color is black.
Oh, it's black. Why? Why it's black? Why is it black?
Uh, because uh, uh, something black is not dirty.
Oh, okay. It cannot be dirty easily. Okay, and as well, Bomb, it is elegant. Black, you can wear it or you can pair it with any other color. Okay, nice. I like black too. Most of my things are black. Okay, thank you so much for that, Bomb. Now, what about fluffy?
Uh, Fluffy is uh, I don't know.
You don't know it? What about in Vietnamese? Do you know this word?
Yes,
Oh, yes, you do. Okay, so when we say fluffy, we can think of the clouds or the fur of your pet, such as the dog. It is a fluffy, okay? So it is of a similar to covered with fluff, okay? It is soft and light like a cloud or like a fur. That is fluffy. Okay, just like I believe we have here a picture. Okay, so my dog is so cute and fluffy. Okay, just like the fur of this dog right here. It is fluffy. Now, what about large?
love is very big
Okay, yes, that is right.
inside.
Okay, yes, it is very big in size because when we say large, it is bigger than what is average. Okay, yes, that's right, Mom. Okay, now what about small?
Uh, Small is uh, uh,
It is little, right? When we say small, it is little or tiny. It could be in size or in amount, okay? Or you can as well say it's not large in size or amount, a bomb. Okay, that is small. Like, for example, I live in a small apartment. Where do you live, Bomb? Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Uh, in my grandma house.
Oh, you live in your grandma's house. Okay, I see. Now, next one, medium size.
Uh, medium size is uh not large, not small inside.
Okay, yes, it is in between small and large. Okay, that is medium size. Now, what about cute?
Uh, fruit is um, I don't know.
Okay, now, when we say cute, it means something, or it could be someone is attractive or pretty in a way that causes feelings of love. Okay, because it is sweet in a charming way. Okay, attractive. Like, for example, this dog right here. It is cute. Okay, now let us practice and tell me which of the vocabulary items describe size and which describe appearance. Okay, so let us start with brown.
Uh, brown. Uh, appearance.
Okay, yes, it's appearance. What about white?
White is appearance.
Okay, fluffy.
Fluffy is appearance.
Okay, that's right. Large,
Large is size.
small.
Small is size.
Okay, black.
Black is appearance.
Okay, medium size.
Medium size is size.
Okay, and cute.
Cute is appearance.
Okay, yes, there you have it. That's right. Now let us have more vocabulary. We have here feed. Do you know
Uh,
this? It's a verb. I will
uh,
feed my dog. Feed means
uh, it is, uh, to give food.
okay, yes, to give food to someone or something. Okay, yes, that is right. Now what about to wash?
Uh, wash is, uh, uh, clean, uh, clean with water.
Okay, yeah, to clean something with water and soap. Okay, very good. What about ride?
Uh, dry is, uh, right is to control, uh, move on on the horse or by
Yes, that's right, Bon. That's right. Okay, so when we say ride, it means you're going to sit on something and then you will control the movement. Okay, not only a horse, but it could be as well bicycle. Okay, ride. Now, what about pat?
I don't know this bro.
Okay, so when we say pat, Bob, it means that you are going to lightly touch or rub something with your hand. Okay, to touch something lightly or gently, often to show affection or love. Okay, so lightly touching, like this dog right here. Okay, so my dog loves it when you pat his stomach. Okay, when you rub its stomach. Now, what about brush?
Uh, Frost is uh smooth. Uh, Frost is smooth. Uh,
Okay, so when we say brush, it means you're going to smoothen or untangle the hair or a fur by moving a brush through it. Okay, you're going to groom with a brush. Like, for example, us human, we brush our hair daily. Okay, so now what about train?
uh, Jen is uh to teach animal.
Okay, yes, that's correct. When we say train, you are going to teach animals or a person over a long period of time so that they know how to behave or they will follow a certain instruction. Okay, what about walk?
Uh, walk is uh to go somewhere with a bed.
Okay, using our feet, okay, to move on foot. What about cuddle?
Uh, Cuddle is um I don't know this word.
That's fine. Okay, so when we say cuddle, it means to hold someone or something close to your body. So basically, you will hug it, bomb. You will hug it. Okay, cuddle means to hug something. Okay, so now let us practice and fill in the blanks using the words above. Okay, so now let us start with the first one. So you can't blank a dog. You are on mute, Bomb.
You can cook the a dog.
You can.
You can't cook the dog.
Okay, you can cuddle a dog. Well, actually, you can cuddle a dog, Bob, especially if you are um an a, a pet owner. You can do it. Okay, so you can cuddle a dog. You can hug it, Bob. They even sleep with it sometimes. Okay, so what do you think is the answer here? What can't we do with a dog?
Uh, you can't uh ride a dog.
Okay, yes, you can't ride a dog. Now, next one, you can blank a horse. You can repeat your answers here, Bomb.
Uh, you can feed a horse.
Okay, you can feed a horse. Next one,
Uh, you can uh wash a cat.
was a cat. You can wash a cat. You can wash a cat, Bomb, so that they will stay fresh. They will smell good. Okay, so you can repeat your answer. You can say you can't ride a cat, of course. Okay, now what about four?
Uh, you can uh you can feed a goldfish.
Okay, yes, you can feed a goldfish. Okay, what about five?
Um, you can cook the hamster.
Okay, you can cuddle the hamster. I think in some situation, Bomb, they do cuddle the hamster. So the best word here is you can't walk a hamster. Okay, you can't walk a hamster. Now, last one.
Uh, you can't uh ride a bird.
Okay, yes, you can't ride a bird. That is correct. Thank you so much for that. Now we'll proceed to exercise four dialogue. So read this one with me and answer the questions below. Do you have a pet, Mariam?
Yes, I have a dog called Roof
Rufus.
Rufus.
What's he like?
He's black and medium sized. He's he is well behaved and
Behave.
very good behaved and very good natural. I trained him when he was a puppy.
Okay, this is good natured, Bomb. Good natured. Okay, what do you do with him?
I walk him and feed him every day. I play with him when I get home from work and then cook him on the cold
Couch.
while I
Couch.
cook while I watch TV. On the weekend, I watch and brush him.
What other pets have you had?
I had two rabbits when I was a kid. They were white, uh, full, fluffy,
Fluffy.
fluffy, fluffy, and so cute.
What pets would you like to have?
I love to get a cat someday.
Okay, well, Reed, thank you so much for that. Now let us check your understanding. What pet does Miriam have?
Uh, Miriam have uh Miriam have a dog.
Okay, yes, she has a dog called Rufus. What does Miriam do with her pet on the weekend?
On the weekend, she was and brushed him.
Okay, what other pet has Miriam had?
She had two rabbits.
Okay, yes, very good. That is correct. Thank you so much for that. And I believe that is all it, Bomb. So on Saturday, we'll have exercise 5. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the night with your family, Bomb. Goodbye and stay safe.
Goodbye, teacher.